So power of attorney. So in real estate, I'll get a power of attorney that says, they can make financial decisions. But then on the title side, when we go to transfer, like title say, no, that power of attorney is not good enough. We need 2 doctors' notes that states that they're not capable of making the decision to sell the property.
Yeah, so it's going to depend on the financial power of attorney itself. Like there's a California statutory form that's like 3 or 4 pages long that has like a listed like enumerated powers. So you would initial next to each one that you want, or you could initial, all of the above. And then when it actually works is going to depend on the document itself, what the triggering event is. In our practice, what we commonly, there's usually like 3 options, right? So there's either, like you're talking about, 2 physicians say you're incapacitated in writing. So it doesn't work until then, right? Okay. So no one can do anything, your finances, your real property, anything like that, until you until 2 doctors say you're incapacitated. The other option would be like immediate. So like as soon as you've signed and notarized the document, it's effective. This is something that we do commonly with like married couples, right? So if everyone already has access to all the accounts, no one's gonna drain the accounts, right? So like as long as you're appointing someone you trust, and also like they don't have a copy of the document. So unless you like give them a copy of the document, it doesn't really have anything. Or a third option that we will do at times is like having a disability panel. So say like you have 3 kids and you would need all of them to sign off on something saying you're incapacitated. Like even just because someone has a financial power of attorney, or a power of attorney, it means that they can act on your behalf, but it doesn't mean that they like supersede all your rights. Right? So if you're, provided that you have capacity and all that stuff, like you're still gonna have a say in things, right? Like it's similar with like the medical power of attorney, where in the medical power of attorney, you don't have to have all that stuff, right? You don't have to have like 2 notes. It's like you can either communicate or you can't. And then it's effective, right?
Yeah, that's good to know.